Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs. I am excited to say that our new book, 21 Easy Ukulele Folk Songs, will launch on February 4th. We sure hope you head over to Amazon to buy a copy. If you get a copy before February 13th, we'll send you some really cool bonus material, including a PDF and bonus video lesson on tags and turnarounds. You'll also get an exclusive interview with both Jenny and Rebecca about our new book. Finally, you'll be entered in a sweepstakes to win a free ukulele starter pack. 21 Easy Ukulele Folk Songs starts with 2 chord songs played in the easiest keys on the ukulele, C and F. By the end of the book, you will be playing songs with 6 to 8 chords and fingerpicking some of the melodies and accompaniments. Some of the songs included in the book are Lil'Liza Jane, Happy Birthday, Down by the Riverside, Turkey in the Straw, Shenandoah, and Take Me Out to the Ball Game. Each song is presented with sheet music that includes melody tab and a suggested strumming pattern. There is also an online video course that includes a video lesson for each song. We're sure you'll enjoy our new book, 21 Easy Ukulele Folk Songs, so head on over to Amazon on or after February 4th to get your copy. I'm sure you'll be glad that you did. If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.